Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Dodge Charger RT with the 440 V8 that was special ordered by an individual from Ventura, California. And I'm not exactly sure why it was a special ordered car. The window sticker, which I show here, just shows that it had the console for $54, tinted glass for $40, air conditioning for $357, Music Master AM radio for $61, rear seat speaker for $19, a TikTok TAC for $50, the 440 Magnum engine 4-barrel $437, 727 HD 3-speed transmission for $227, a 323 rear axle ratio for $47, 26-inch radiator optional, power front disc brakes for $42, vinyl roof for $93, hood mounted signal indicators for $10, wheel lip moldings standard and special ordered and shipping for $267.49 for a grand total of $5,241.77. And like I said, I'm not sure why it was special ordered. I'm not sure if it was the color. Looks to be the burnt orange, but I can't really tell. Either way, it was a beautiful restoration done to the car, and looks like the shows looks to be 51,000 miles on the odometer, 51,936, I believe. But somebody did a great restoration to it, and as you can see in the video, it's getting a lot of looks. As far as the Chargers go, in 1968, that was the first year for the second generation Charger, which went from 1968 through 1970. And Dodge was hoping to sell about 35,000 cars, and they ended up selling 96,100 approximately. And out of that, they, from the numbers I found on the internet, approximately 17,500 were RTs. And of that, approximately 14,300 had the automatic transmission. And as far as the Hemis go, for 1968, it looks like they made 468 Charger RT Hemis out of the 17,500 RTs. So about 17,000 were the 440 then. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Dodge Charger RT with the 440 V8 engine and Torque Flight automatic transmission. Special ordered car that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.